Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Voghion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the language button at the service section. And here you can see all the language that you can select. So just click on one and then just click on the done button at the top of the page on the right. And your language is successfully set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.